car! Oh! Not starting. Absolutely death! V8! Big boy! Here's the battery. Bad! We need tools. Solution. Stahl statt Schokolade. Santa Claus is pro mechanic. Wow, another present. We need this. Perfect. Wow, this is 12. Don't need. 8? No. 7? No. Oi, oi, oi. Wow. 10. Thank you, Mr. Santa Claus pro mechanic. Now the special tool. You need this. Ah, so important tool. Look at the gunk, the gunk, the gunk. Now release the tool. What will Santa Claus give us on the 18th? 13. 13. Ah, release the minus pole. Fully release. Only with this special tool you can remove this application. Ah, important tool. Such an important tool. Now open this. A lot of gunk, gunk. Still tight. Oh, it's tight. Special tools. Blue collar, working class. This guy is crazy. So it's tight. No chance. No. Oh, yes. Another holder. Oh, here it is. A special tool. Very important. Schutzwachs transparent. Good product. Use a lot of product. A lot of product helps a lot. Wow. New battery. Hammer. Wartungsfrei. Oh, fitted good. Always remove this when installing a new battery. Like a chirurg. Wow, another product. Wow, like in the good old days. Very good. That's the way I like it. Good boy. Install it. Perfect alignment. What a beauty. Very important for old cars. Never get lost without a battery. In the desert. Fitting good. Perfect fitting. Don't forget. Lube. Fitting good. No connection. Now there's a connection. Try to start.